Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share a quick haul I've done on AliExpress. I made a few purchases, but this is one of the first ones that have come in. So stay tuned for more AliExpress hauls. Not that I needed to be buying stuff, but this haul is from Romantic Princess Store, and it's, you know, on AliExpress. But I got me some little sequin mixes. They are Mickey heads. I don't know if, can you see the Mickey heads? Yes. So these packets were 99 cents each, and I got 2 of every color. See the Mickey heads? So I'm going to use them to put in my resin pieces, and also to make shakers. Yes, so cute. So I got 2 of each, like I said, and they're just from the Romantic Princess Store. You know, some of those names of those stores are funny. But anyway, yeah, so I hope you guys are having a crafty day. I cannot wait to use some of these in my resin pieces. So until next time, you can see more videos here. And until then, shakas!